What's up everybody, it's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs and we're hanging out in the cul-de-sac, and what do I have for you? I have a killer Ford van. Not just any Ford van, but we're going ECONOLINE. I feel like it's been forever since I did one of these videos on an ECONOLINE. I'm super excited to do this. I know that you love the Ford ECONOLINEs as much as I do. So let's talk about all the cool things that we did to this van right here, right now. All right guys, so many cool things. This is the OG kit right here. This is the Baja grocery getter. I love this kit. This has been just, I can't tell you how much I love it, love driving it. It's the coolest thing for your Ford van. So let's start up in the front because that's where all the cool stuff really begins to happen. Now, first of all, look at this. All right, we're gonna have the Method wheels. We love the Methods, love the gold wheels. Technically it's bronze, 17-inch wheel on a 285/70/17. This is just pure sexiness. Now, something a little bit different. These are running the Falcon Wild Peak. It's a good tire, and what I like about this tire is notice this really heavy sidewall on there. I think that is really nice, especially if you're going to air down your two-wheel drive van. That is nice, less likely to puncture that sidewall. Very cool. So if you want to run larger tires, let me show you how to do it. So this is the Baja grocery getter kit. So you can see that we have the Skyjacker coils in there, the Fox shocks, those extended radius arms looking so nice. The extended radius arms are 9 inches longer, and now what's really cool about the radius arms is the brackets weld on. Now I know for some of you, you hate that fact that you have to weld the bracket on, but what it lets you do is it lets you push this wheel forward in the wheel well, because now you have a ton of room back in the back there. It also has the modified beams to correct the camber, new bushings in the beams as well. So if you have an old worn out front end, one of the great things about the Weldtec Designs suspension products is they're all going to include new bushings in the I-beams and radius arms. Now, this van had a very tired grille and headlights, so we actually put a new set of OEM headlights and the new grille because the old chrome looked like it was just crying off the front of it. Now if you pop your head all the way down in there, get down there, you'll see that it also has the Fox steering stabilizer on it, and that works really well to control the bumps, the potholes, all the crap that you hit driving down the road. So that's in a nutshell the Baja grocery getter. I mean, this looks amazing, and look at this color. What I think is really cool is the color of this van is unique. This customer's doing his own build out. You can see that he's added solar panels to the roof of this, going to be doing more on the inside of it. When we come to the back, the Baja grocery getter kit is just going to include blocks and U-bolts in the rear. You do have the option to upgrade it to a progressive leaf spring if you would like. And let me tell you, it rides so much better when you do that. We've also added the Fox shocks to the rear. And now let me touch base. We talked about bushings and preventative maintenance in the front. That's the other great thing if you have an older van. When you do the complete performance package with the leaf springs, all new bushings in the springs as well. You can see that this also has that 285/70/17 tire. Now, if it was up to me, the one thing that I would add to this, I'd do an 1.5-inch wheel spacer on this as well. I would bring this front end out just a little bit wider, especially because it has barn doors on the other side of it. There's no problem with having that wider rear end. So that way that if it did have a sliding door, you don't have to run a door slide extension. Everything works really well. I mean, guys, it's just simple and easy. The Baja grocery getter kit. If you have a Ford ECONOLINE, this is the kit you want for your van. It's going to work amazing. It's so much fun to drive. And did we say that it's just sexy? I mean, this is pretty darn sexy right here. I'm digging it. I like the green. At first I was like, green, but It's pretty cool, especially with the tinted windows and the bronze wheels. Dude, I'm loving it. If this is your first time at the channel, hey, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough video of this van. Smash the subscribe button. I do a new video every week talking vans, motorhomes, and all kinds of fun stuff. You can come hang out with me. Sometimes we're in the cul-de-sac. Sometimes we're someplace really cool. But not today. We're just hanging out in the cul-de-sac. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.